Systems thinking helps businesses understand how their actions impact interconnected systems, promoting sustainable solutions. Critical thinking sharpens decision-making by ensuring outcomes are viable, ethical, and based on solid reasoning. Systems thinking provides a holistic perspective, focusing on how various system components interact and affect each other. Critical thinking involves evaluating information, identifying logical inconsistencies, and making reasoned judgments for better decisions. Integrating systems and critical thinking enhances problem-solving by offering both macro and micro-analytical perspectives. Implementing these cognitive strategies can transform fragmented sustainability efforts into a coherent, strategic agenda. Begin by defining a clear sustainability vision and assess the current state to identify gaps. Articulate the desired future and recognize barriers or deficiencies preventing its realization. Structure decisions based on evidence, aligning them with overarching sustainability goals to ensure clarity and relevance. Prioritize the most impactful sustainability challenges to maximize resource use and effectiveness. Use systems diagrams to visualize problems and logical reasoning to evaluate potential solutions for feasibility. Develop a theory of success outlining key actions and leverage points for achieving desired change. Implement strategies while establishing feedback loops for ongoing monitoring and adaptation. Systems thinking emphasizes understanding interconnections, dynamics, and long-term impacts within systems to predict future behaviors. Critical thinking is key in logical reasoning, decision-making, and evaluating solutions to prevent errors. Engage stakeholders to ensure a unified understanding of sustainability objectives and challenges. Structure decisions to maintain clarity and prevent duplication, ensuring alignment with sustainability goals. Focus efforts on areas where they can make the most significant impact for maximum effectiveness. Create innovative, interconnected solutions using both systems and critical thinking approaches. Continuous feedback and adaptation are crucial for effective implementation and achieving sustainability goals.